Here is how to allow multiple people to edit a Google form. So let's get started. So search for forms.google.com. Once you're here, select the form which you'd want to allow others to edit as well. So this is the form, and now the next step is to click on this share button that's on the top right. After that, you have to add the email IDs on top of who all you want to add as an editor. So for now, I've selected this one account, but you can add multiple if you want to. Then one important step is to change the role from responder to editor. So if you click on this, then you can change it to editor. And here they've said that editors can view and delete form responses. After that, you can type a message and decide if you want to notify them, and then click on send. And now it's done. You can copy the link to share by clicking on this share icon and then click on copy responder link. And now opening the link with this account will give you editing access. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.